Hey guys, welcome to my masterclass for Soundteams. My name is Mike, aka Vowel. Breakdown of my track Shokunin. It's just a normal kick, a serum kick. This snare in particular. You can see my transient, multiband distortion. It's got quite a lot of processing on it. I'm going to take you through my process of creating drums. Then I open up Serum. I edit the wavetable. I'm going to take you through the process of making a Reese bass and how you can add character and texture to your Reese. Really love that, just that bass sound.